Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be cleaning my apartment and organizing my life in general. But first, I'm gonna go for a walk. It's beautiful out and I just want to get some fresh air, clear my thoughts, and of course get my steps in for the day. A little bit later, a friend is coming to visit, so I'm just gonna take her around LA. We're gonna explore a little bit and then, I don't know, maybe get back to work if I can. I'm thinking realistically it's going to take me 2 days to finish everything I need to do. That's okay, but I'm just gonna finish my tea right now and then get dressed and head out.
Dreamt about you last night. Woke up with tears running down and I asked why. Guess I'm dreaming about you all night, thinking it's true. And I keep repeating the same sequence, running cause I'm always seeing you. Going back to the moments I knew. You know that I remember this.
So my friend is on her way up here from San Diego right now, and we're just going to spend the day together. I'm not sure what we're going to do yet, but we are going to have fun. I think that my car is embarrassingly dirty right now, so I'm going to drop it off at the car wash while I go for my walk. It should be finished and I should be able to make it home before she gets here.
Funny that it happens only when we get distance.
I've been walking down here for over 20 years now, and I swear I'll never get tired of these views. Alright, I've got 3.5 miles in. Normally I try and walk a bit further than this, but I'm out of time today, so it is what it is. I ran home and changed really quick and then met up with my friend. The first thing we had planned for the day was to go to the mall. I had an online purchase to return at Nordstrom, but then I ended up buying 2 new perfumes from Jo Malone. One of them is a favorite fragrance of mine that is limited edition. I haven't seen it in a few years, so I had to grab it before it disappeared again. And the other one was an old favorite, and I had just forgotten how much I loved it. After shopping, we stopped for lunch. We had vegan Mexican at Takaya, and I think that you can tell by my friend's happy dance that the food was really good. After lunch, we left the mall and headed over to the Grove to see the Christmas lights. It really is a fun place to go during the holidays and recommend it if you are in the LA area. Morning. I was up rather late last night, so I slept in, but there's nothing better than a slow morning on a child-free weekend. I like starting the day with journaling, first in my gratitude journal, then my 369 manifesting journal, followed by my regular journal. It's also the perfect time to do some skincare with my LED mask. I'm obsessed with this thing. Once I was done writing and properly caffeinated, it was time to get to cleaning. There's always so much laundry to do, so I always start with that first. I'm about halfway done right now, but I'm starving, so I'm gonna take a break. Since I have an oat allergy, I like to make hot cereal with quinoa instead. Adding berries just makes it so yummy. That hit the spot and I'm back to work. So right now I have such a huge pile of stuff here that needs to get put away, and it's all driving me insane, but like, I started with the Christmas tree and realized my ornaments that I was looking for were still in storage. So I ordered new ones from Target. They came yesterday, but I don't have the hooks. So I'm thinking that I may run out later today to Target to grab some hooks, and then I can return the ones that are coming in the mail. And then this other stuff that's over here on the counter just needs to get put away. Some of them are like Black Friday purchases I did, like my new waffle maker, and it's just a matter of finding the space for it and getting it all put away. So So a random fact about me is that as a teenager, I had a job house cleaning for a couple of years. It obviously wasn't fun, but it paid for my first trips overseas. So having that spending money was definitely worth it. The lady I worked for was very specific and maybe even borderline OCD. The way that I had to clean for her is still how I clean to this day. So I decided to take a break from cleaning, but I still need to finish the bathrooms and my son's room, but I actually want to find a new rug for his room, which was kind of why I was putting off cleaning his room. I'm gonna run to Target right now and see if I can find one there that I like, as well as pick up some Christmas tree hooks so that I can finish that tonight. Yeah. I'm not sure what's going on here, but this Target looks like it's been ransacked. I've never seen it so empty, yet so messy at the same time. Well, I found a rug that I like for my son's room, so I got that, and then after going to 2 other stores, I was able to find ornament hooks. Somehow Target had 0 Christmas stuff. It was completely empty. Anyways, I was able to end the weekend with Christmas songs and a clean house, so life is good.